I'm Lauren with HammerHead's customer service, and today we're going to be talking about our Waterline Slitter Kit, which is a simple yet popular trenchless solution amongst our product line. First things first, we're going to jump into the contents of the kit. When you purchase a Waterline Slitter Kit, it's going to come with a Waterline Slitter head, Slitter link assembly, and our standard kit comes with a carrot puller that can pull in 1/2 inch to 1 inch pipe. We have a carrot puller available for additional purchase that can pull in 1 inch to 1.5 inch pipe. And then we're gonna have a cable grip and then a 3/8 inch cable, which is available in 75 feet or 100 feet length, depending on your job needs. One of the most common questions we get from our customers is how to assemble the Waterline Slitter Kit. So today I'm gonna show you how to do just that. Prior to feeding the cable through the pipe, there is some assembly we need to take care of. So we're gonna start by taking the Waterline Slitter head and we're gonna begin feeding the cable through the back of the Waterline Slitter head. And we're gonna bring that slitter head all the way to the back of the cable where the button end is. We then can attach the slitter link assembly. So you can start by doing it by hand, but you're gonna have to tighten it with a wrench. So we can begin here threading it on by hand. And then once we get it hand tight there, we're gonna take a wrench to snug that up. Next, we're gonna take our carrot puller and thread this into the new pipe that we'll be pulling in. So you can begin threading this on by hand. And basically what we want here is we want to get this hand tight. And once we have it hand tight, we're going to take a wrench and tighten it one more revolution. So prior to attaching the carrot puller in the new pipe, we are going to take the cable and feed that assembly through the pipe we'll be replacing. Once we have that fed through the pipe, we're going to take our carrot puller and attach it to the back of the slitter link assembly. So we're just going to remove that screw here and line up the eye hole on the carrot puller to the back of the slitter link assembly. And we're going to start by threading on that screw here. And then you're going to want to grab a 5/16 Allen wrench just to snug that up a bit. In the adjacent pit, you're going to take your cable grip and attach it to the cable. Once this is completed, you're now ready to attach your pulling device. As you can see, water service line replacement is made simple with the Waterline Slitter Kit available at HammerHeadShop.com. Have any more questions? Give us a call at 1-800-331-6653.